In the data center, you have a lot of protection for the assets that are operated there. Think of guards, cameras, pass readers to get into these data center locations. Edge security is typically very different than what you would see in a data center. For instance, in digital cities or in manufacturing lines, once these lines are down, it has a direct effect on the people. They don't have traffic lights at that point. It also has an effect on the business. If these manufacturing lines are down, that means that the cost is going to increase because they cannot produce at that point. That means that we need to apply zero trust to these endpoints. There's National Institute of Standards has created a specification which allows us to follow in order to create that zero trust environment. It's essentially around the devices, the users, the network, the data, and the applications that are running on these endpoints. And as soon as something is not right in these, what we detect, we need to have policies in place to actually mitigate against these threats. The new approach that we as Dell sort of envision is based on a couple of pillars. These locations have no IT staff, so we need to mitigate because there's no IT at those locations. That's pillar number one. The second part is that a lot of these applications mean that they don't have a security posture. And the other thing that we're looking at is how do we handle scale? I mean, if you want to install an application on 5,000 stores, how do you do that? NativeEdge brings essentially a software platform which would allow customers to manage and lifecycle manage these endpoints in a secure way. NativeEdge is going to have all of these three requirements, right? Scale, the zero trust, and the zero IT. And it allows us to test and securely onboard devices in the field without user interaction. Dell is put into a unique position by having the ownership of the manufacturing, the hardware, and we own the software. These unique three items would allow us to actually guarantee a secure supply chain. Lifecycle management is something which is a lot of platforms do. NativeEdge does this in a very secure way, a very unique way.